Hey guys, what's up? Today we're on myinstance.com fart soundboard. And my friend Lily requested this. Let's see which farts there are, and I'm going to try to recreate them just like the original fart. Another original. I like that one. So I'm not going to try to recreate all of them, just the ones that would be really funny. So wet. Yeah, this one's better. Okay, I don't know that one.
Among Us! Among Us!
How's that a fart, bro? How's that a fart? Guys, bro, I didn't think of this one yet, but guys, they should make the one where, have you guys heard of that meme where it goes, oh no, and then it's just like a huge fart? They should do that one. Dang. This one's funny. Alright. Bruh. I think I've heard that one. Yeah, this one. No, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, which one were we on? Rank for yeah, we were dang, that's good.
Mina na mina na mina 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 na mina na mina 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 na mina na mina mina na mina na mina 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 na mina 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 na mina na mina 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 na mina na me.
Alright guys, my phone is about to die, so I will try to go as hard as long as I can. Oh. Dang, that's even bigger than the toilet paper. Skibidi toilet. Oh my god. Dang. I've already listened to that one. farts right now. Oh my god, this is too powerful. That was so delightful. That was impressive. Random part button I've been waiting for. Yeah. Very cool. I like that one.
I farted and a poopy almost slipped out. My dad tried to hit me with a cast iron pot. I forgot to turn the stove off and burned down the whole house.
I'm listening to that one again, bro.
I farted and a poopy almost slipped out. My dad tried to hit me with a cast iron pot. I forgot to turn the stove off and burned down the whole house.
Dang, the whole story of... Basically the base story of my life. Or anyway, slow fart. Sounds like from one of those Mario games where you fly up with a platform, and it's the sound you make. Dang, nice. Very short. Alright, anyways, this next one, I fart in your direction, is basically me every day to my mom.
I fart in your general direction. Your mother was a hamster and your father smelt of elderberry.
Dang. Not one. Dang. Let me just keep listening to this. Last one. 3, 2, 1. I did all of the soundboards. Alright. Are you... Subscribe.